Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Love Learning Quran. This video is to demonstrate how students can set their goals in Love Learning Quran. If the students are young, their parents or guardians can help them set their goals. Setting goals is very important for any learning process. There's a detailed video about setting goals in a video called Smart Learning, which I'll put in the comments section as a link. Now, coming back to the point of how to set the goals, I've logged in as a student in Love Learning Quran. And here you can see there's a section here, class goals. Now, we've got a reading goal, memorizing goal, and understanding goal. In the reading goal, the next field is number of ayah per day. So what this means is the number of ayah a student plans or targets to read every day. The student can enter the number and press the submit button, and you can see the number of ayah per month is auto-calculated and number of ayah per year is auto-calculated. So if the student reads only 5 ayah every day, so in a month the student can read 150, and in a year that student would be reading 1825. If the student wants to target 10 ayat per day, then the number of ayat run per year increases exponentially. Similarly, the students can set a goal to memorize a certain number of ayah per day, and the numbers will be calculated respectively. And the third section is the understanding goal. So, reading Arabic is one part, memorizing is the second, and the third goal could be understanding. If they read the Quranic Arabic, can they understand what that ayah means? So that would require some extra effort. It could be zero for certain students if who are just starting to learn to read, but for students who can read and can memorize, I the next goal could be at least 2 ayah per day. They can read the translations and try to understand what that ayah means. And in Love Learning Quran, you can see that the translation is also provided here. The students can go in here, select the ayah number, the juz number, the surah number, go to that particular ayah and read the Arabic and read the translation as well. If they click on it, it will recite. If they click on here, it would give them the translation. So students should have a target to read the Quran, memorize the Quran, and if possible, to understand the Quran. And the ultimate aim would be to implement their understanding of Quran as well, which would make them a better person, and should be the target of every student. If there are any questions, suggestions, or comments, please put them down in your comment section below in this video, and we'll try to improve the system and get back to you with answers if there are any answers. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.